Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Friday the 13th, and you can see by the picture here outside the Ransom Road weather station here we picked up some rain, not a lot but certainly very beneficial, and hopefully most areas will get plenty more between now and the middle of next week, especially as we get into the weekend. And right now the best chances looks like it'll come on Monday and then again later next week. So for today though, very hot and humid, so these morning showers and thunderstorms will move out of the area and we'll see plenty of sunshine for the afternoon. Again, very humid conditions, dew points up around 70, and I'm forecasting a high in the upper 80s to around 90. Here in Breckenridge, I think we'll get to 91 degrees, and then again, maybe some widespread rainfall as we get into Monday. And today is, again, Friday the 13th. It's garbage day, and Tammy Sterling turns 50 years old. What could possibly go wrong other than her seeing this video? Again, it's a start. We picked up 0.17 of an inch here. And if we look at the climate data for today, our normal high is 83, the normal low is 59. You can see back on this date in 1914, we picked up just over 3.5 inches of rain, and we're running 4.4 degrees per day above normal for the month of July, so it's been pretty warm. Yesterday we had a high of 82 and a low of 57. No precipitation yesterday, but since midnight, 0.17 of an inch of rainfall. Yesterday's highest temperature in the state, 88 at Grand Rapids, and the cold spot, 51 at Pellston. This morning you can see temperatures are mainly in the 60s to around 70, 63 degrees, cool spot in Blissfield, 70 at Newaygo. And if we look at the latest drought index, came out yesterday, you can see moderate drought conditions in parts of the northern thumb and or northeast lower Michigan, with abnormally dry across many sections of central and northern lower Michigan and the eastern UP. But by this time next week, hopefully we'll see some improvement on that outlook. As far as rainfall overnight, again, central Michigan picking up some of the little bit heavier amounts as these showers move through. 1500s at Lansing, 1100s at Henderson, 700s at Middleton, and we led the way with 1700s. As of the time of this video, these showers are moving into the Marlette and the Brown City area, so hopefully other areas will pick up at least some rain. And again, we got a chance of those scattered showers and thunderstorms over the weekend into especially Monday. And if we look at satellite view, you can see these clusters of storms the MCX complexes developed last night, and they're dropping down into central and northern lower Michigan this morning, giving many areas across the Northland some showers and some measurable rainfall. And again, we'll expect this big heat ridge to eventually be flattened out, and that's what's going to allow this area to come into the state of Michigan, as a cold front will come through the area and it'll weaken, then die out over southern lower Michigan. And again, that's going to be the focal point for at least scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the weekend. And you can see on the radar as these showers and thunderstorms pivoting down to the southeast in the area. Again, some of those are getting ready to move into the thumb area and eventually into southwest Ontario before they weaken and die out, just like the storms did yesterday. Only today they are making it into at least parts of the area. And if we look at the weather map this morning, you can see that series of low pressure systems in the front that's going to be dropping through. But again, not a big push of any cold air behind us, and so that front's going to very slowly move through the area, weaken as it does, but still there'll be enough focus, I think, with lake breeze and this frontal boundary, maybe some embedded minor waves that'll again produce showers and thunderstorms Saturday and into Sunday. You can see that front very slowly just washing out over southern lower Michigan. We'll look for this area of low pressure eventually to move right up towards the Great Lakes, and that's going to pick up plenty of moisture, and I think give us our best chance of rain as we get into Monday, later Monday, and into Monday night, before the sunshine returns on Tuesday. But then another system may come this way by the middle or end of next week. So we've got some decent rain opportunities coming this way here. This is actually over the next 7 days, not 3 days, but you can see very heavy rains off to our west, where there are a number of flood advisories and flash flood watches out. As far as the, again, the weather watch for today, the heat advisories, that heat trying to sneak up towards the Great Lakes. I think today upper 80s to around 90, at 91 I'm forecasting here in Breckenridge. I think will give us a heat index of around 93 to 97 degrees today. And then you can see flash flood watches off to our southwest as well. Most of the heaviest rains will stay off to our southwest. As far as the forecast goes today, becoming sunny, hot and humid, highs around 90, 91 degrees. And then into the upper 80s over the weekend. Scattered thunderstorms all weekend long. The best chance coming on Monday. And then as we begin head towards the middle or end of next week, another system will give us a decent chance of rain. So it's very dry out there, but I think we'll see improving conditions here over the next 5 to 7 days. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day, a great weekend. and 73s to all.